Hey guys, we're over at the Silver Streak. We're gonna get some work done, and it's gonna be awesome. Okay, I brought my little action camera down to record with, but it's not operating correctly. The operator doesn't know how to use it right. So I'm doing my phone again. Anyhow, I've got that tarped off now. And the refrigerator. And then for the stove and my portable AC, I just put them over there in a corner under the cabinet with a towel over them. Okay, it is what it is. I screwed up. I can't find my big paint roller. I bought a paint kit. I can't find it. I must have put it in storage. So we're gonna deal with the smaller roller and a paint thing. Because I gotta get started somehow. So I have Kills. And it's satin finish, interior, exterior. So we're gonna Kills this baby. Seriously? Something's telling me I should not be doing this today. Not going well. Okay, there we go. Okay, where's my paint stick? It's right here. Stir, 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 stir. Oh, this stuff is thick. Stir, 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 stir. I am so upset with myself right now. I don't know. I thought I was prepared for all this. I thought I had all my painting stuff here. That's what I get for thinking. Okay. No, don't you dare fall on the floor. Okay, a hefty amount of Kills. So now we will climb up to the ceiling. And we're going to start right over here. I already blew that. So that's convenient. Just wearing safety glasses. I can't smell this, so I'm not going to be too concerned. Hi! I'm not going to be too concerned about something. I don't know what I'm saying. Shoot. I am so discombobulated. It's crazy. Okay, so here we go, guys. We're going to start painting. Just one level there. Okay, so I think I'll start with a paintbrush. And I don't have to be perfect. But I do have this little gizmo to help. See, it's running already because I'm not paying attention to my own self. Oh. Okay, I wanted to tape these off. I forgot. The little golden trim piece. Okay, I just painted. I can't talk. This isn't going well. Okay, so I just painted this area back in here. Lift the camera and show you. Okay. And come on. I'm over here. Okay. And then I'm going to paint around here also. It's not going to be, I'm going to paint around here, and it's not going to be perfect because this is just the base coat. This is just Kills. Although it does have a finish on it. This is a satin base finish, so I guess I could use it as paint. Now we're going to use the roller. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep them doggies rolling. Shut up. Okay. And unfortunately, since I don't know where my big roller is, we're just going to deal with the little one because I got to get this job going. And I'll dig out, oh shoot, oh well, that's going to be painted anyhow. So it doesn't matter if I get it on the cabinets because they're going to get painted too. Oh, you're making a mess, girl. I told you I'm not a sloppy painter, and here I am making messes and slopping it around. We don't want drips. Don't like the drips. Whew. Okay, there we go. So I will continue on. There we go. And I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, this is how much I've gotten done so far. Just thought I'd give you a view of how much I've gotten done. Or how little, depending on how you look at it. And by the way, it is 86.5 degrees, 44% humidity. Okay, my first coat paint in the living room on the ceiling is now finished. That's the first coat. You can see where I cut off here. This is the kitchen area. So I think I'll paint the kitchen, and I might call it a day after that, because I got a late start, and this is killing my neck. Okay, we've moved on to the kitchen now, from the living room. And I'm also painting that crossbar in the center. Thought I may as well do that now. My brush is getting eaten up by the ceiling, I'll tell you. So here we go. This might take 2 or 3, or I think about 3 coats probably. And I taped it off so I could save the little gold on it. Okay, so that's the first coat on here. I'm going to finish up on my ceiling. I'm using a paintbrush and the roller. Little tiny roller, but then again, there's not a whole lot of ceiling here. I mean, there is, but there isn't. More cabinets, a lot of cabinets. So I will continue and show it to you when I finish, I'm not going to do the bedroom or the bathroom yet today. So, but we'll continue on with this and get the first coat finished. Excuse me. I got the kitchen ceiling painted, and make sure I don't trip over my tarps, and the living room ceiling painted. And that's just one coat. With enough coats of this, I may not have to use any other ceiling paints. So there we go, guys. There you go, y'all. Oh boy. Okay, so I'm calling it a day, and I will come back tomorrow and put another, hopefully, maybe, depending on how this dries and cures, another coat. But I definitely will do the bedroom and bathroom.